So because my bird died last year, Dino died last year, and I couldn't help him and the vet would turn us down, I got this kit in case of an emergency. It's called the Sick Bird Treatment Kit. So because Dino died last year suddenly, and all the vets would turn us down and no vet would see us, I got this Sick Bird Treatment and Identification booklet together with the Sick Bird Treatment Kit, which is all the medication in. And this book, Destiny, this book is really, really awesome because it shows here what's the problems. And there's also a lot of pictures. Destiny, what are you doing? This is not for you. You're not sick, which is great. Destiny, put it over here. So basically, this is the disease symptoms, treatments, and the book. So what that's parasite, this is virus, this is fungus, bacteria, and it shows exactly if your bird is sick. No, don't break it. What drugs to get, how to do it, how to feed, and the treatment days. Show you some stuff. Right? So this is the Sick Bird Treatment Antibiotic, and let's say the symptoms are clicking nose, open mouth breathing, respiratory infections, wheezing. The problem is air sac mice, and you have to give the liver medicine. Destiny, don't. And this is the kit, which is the medication. Oh, this is me. This is the kit, this is the medication. And oh, Destiny, no, this is medicine. So this is really recommended just because I don't want to go through a emergency again, being helpless and not be able to help my bird if no vet is open and it's a weekend or something like that. I want to ask you something. So one of my friends, like after Dino died, she kind of like, I didn't find any vets, and that's why my first bird died. So she recommended me to get the Sick Bird Treatment. And what do you think about this? It came with, this is like $100, and it comes with that, and it comes with that, just in case a vet is not available. So I got this. What do you think about this kit?
I have another book. I have to get this one for sure. I don't know the book. This kit. Let me see what's in the kit. I don't know.
Just in case a vet is not around and there's an emergency, will that help or save a bird's life?
Cool. I mean, this is very basic, and the trometazine, this is an antifungal, needs to go on empty stomach. These medications, I don't know where they come from. I don't know. This could come from in fish medicine. There's a lot of powder. We use liquid in birds. So this is, I don't know anything about this medication. These are different antibiotics over here. there's no dose. Did you give you a dose how to use? Is a dose inside over there?
Yeah, it's in the book, and it says like how to use it, and also like the bone, and it's this lady who do fitages, and she has a lot of experience. So she give you like the drug and what and why and treatment days and stuff like that.
Definitely helps something just to get you to a veterinarian, because this helps you to start something. Problem with crop feeding is a lot of people hurt the birds because it's very easy when you put this into small birds, when you put the needle inside to rupture the so it's very easy to do it. But definitely it's definitely helpful to start if there's nobody around. That's effort is definitely
If
good.
it's nobody around.
Correct. That's definitely something to the birds is not such big thing. Yeah, interesting, very interesting.
Very interesting, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I got it for $100 from the website. And, Dino died 2016, and I called 10 vets, and no vets were available, and then he died. So that's the reason why I got this one.
Definitely helpful to have it on hand, just to start on, but don't rely on this one too long. Just the last one. That's fine. That's good.
Okay.
There's lots of smart things you can find online, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. Very happy for you.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
I think you got it back. They'll crush you. Oh my God.